Have you ever wondered what happens when a star, with a mass so gigantic, finally exhausts its fuel and succumbs to its own gravity? The answer lies in the enigmatic depths of black holes, the cosmic abysses that hold some of the universe's most tantalizing secrets. Black holes are born from the ashes of dying stars. When a star, particularly a massive one, exhausts its nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own weight. As it collapses, the star compresses into a smaller and smaller volume, eventually reaching a point of zero volume and infinite density, a singularity. This singularity is the heart of a black hole, a place where our traditional understanding of physics falls apart. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, a boundary beyond which the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a cosmic beast lurking in the darkness, mouth agape, swallowing everything that dares to come close. That, in essence, is a black hole. These cosmic beasts vary in size. Some are stellar mass black holes born from individual stars. Others, known as supermassive black holes, lurk at the centers of galaxies, their masses billions of times that of our Sun. Perhaps one of the most fascinating aspects of black holes is their ability to warp space-time. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, the intense gravitational field of a black hole distorts the fabric of space-time, causing it to curve around the singularity. This effect, known as gravitational lensing, can distort the light from objects behind the black hole, creating a cosmic spectacle for astronomers to observe. Beyond their role as cosmic spectacles, black holes play a critical role in the evolution of galaxies and the universe. Supermassive black holes are thought to regulate the growth of galaxies by influencing the distribution of matter and energy within them. Black holes also serve as cosmic laboratories, providing scientists with a unique environment to test the fundamental laws of physics under extreme conditions. The study of black holes has led to profound insights into the nature of space, time, and gravity, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. In the recent past, our ability to study these cosmic abysses has grown exponentially, thanks to technological advancements like the Event Horizon Telescope. In 2019, this telescope provided the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon, giving us a glimpse into the heart of these mysterious entities. Yet, many questions about black holes remain unanswered, fueling ongoing research and exploration. Scientists continue to probe the nature of black hole singularities, the behavior of matter and energy near the event horizon, and the possibility of observing black hole mergers and other dynamic phenomena. In essence, black holes are some of the most enigmatic and awe-inspiring objects in the universe. They captivate the imagination, from their formation to their profound influence on the cosmos, offering a glimpse into the tantalizing mysteries of the universe. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, amidst the dazzling display of stars and galaxies, lurks the cosmic abyss, the black hole, holding secrets yet to be unveiled.